not negative 6. Fine, let's just say it's 2. Let's just, if our negative is wrong, let's just say this is 2. 2 times negative 1, negative 2 plus 4. Alright, so it's alright. Well, we did negative 2 correctly. Negative minus 4. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. I mean, I don't know how we arrive at this correctly, but 2 times negative 1, negative 2, negative 4 is negative 6.
Every bird is
2 times 0, 0 minus 4 is negative 4. Negative 2 times negative 1, right? So it's the next thing on the chart. Negative 1, negative 2 times 1, negative 2 minus 4. Oh my god. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. 2 times 2 is 4 minus 4 is 0. We have 6. Oh shit. 2 times 2 is 4 minus 4 is 0. Oh my god. Is this... Write the function rules for each of the function tables by identifying the rate of change. Alright, so I mean, we did identify the rate of change. We're sort of on it. Look, it's plus 4, right? Alright, look. Look, the mx equals negative 6 plus 4. Well, we see these are all plus 4 different, right?
Negative x is big.
What?
I think negative x is big.
Look, these are all plus 4 different, right? So it's going to be something plus 4. Yeah, that's it.
And then
I see that I'm doing it. Listen, me hacking it and then just showing you the formula isn't going to help anybody. Go on YouTube here.
Yeah, please like this video and give me